Alright, hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Mohammed. We continue our training and the preparation for Elastic Certified Engineer exam, and today with a new topic we will see how we're gonna use or how we can use the sorts in Elasticsearch to sort the results. Let's jump to the documentation. So as the documentation said here, source results or search results in Elasticsearch allow us to add one or more sorts on the specific fields. This can be one or multiple. Each sort can be reversed as well. So we will see now some examples in our environment, and we see how it works. So before the first thing we need to do is a sample of data. So we are using for this topic we are using weblogs, or we're gonna use also the e-commerce. We're gonna use e-commerce, not weblogs. Let's jump to the dev tools. Again, as a reminder, you don't need to remember the syntax. You during the exam you will have access to the documentation, so you can copy paste. You can copy paste the examples here, right? So it's get and e-commerce. Now this one. So since it is search query, we're gonna call the search endpoint, and here we will call query and match all. We will not specify anything. And here, as you can see, we can call the sorts. So here sorts, and here we give the field. So let me just open discover another tab, and here I will go to e-commerce. I will add more time here, and here we will choose the, for example, the price. Yeah, let's say this one. Right, so I will source our results. So if I run let me just remove this and run this example without sorts. So here I run just query or match all query, and I did not specify the sort, right? So if I come here and see this field, which is the tax less total price. So here is 36, here is 53, here is 199, here 175, 174, here 80. As you see, it's not organized, right? Now let's see, for like I want, or I have a use case, or I have a scenario where they said, okay, sort the result based on the this field, which is the price, tax less total price, in ascending manner. So to do that is exactly what we're gonna see today, is the sorts. And here we specify the field, and here we say descending, or there is another value. So if I go here to the documentation, so you see we have ascending and we have descending. So ascending is from the lower to bigger, or from small to big, and the descending is the inverse, right? So here if I do this ascending, and here if I look at the price, so here is 16.99, 7.99, 7, 14, 15. You see it's organized from the smallest or lowest to the biggest. So here if I do descending, is gonna be the inverse. It's gonna be here from the maximum, right, to the minimum. As you can see, is going down, right? We can specify one or multiple fields. So if I want, for example, to add another sorts, I can do here, for example, the name or region or whatever, like category, for example. So here I can do category, and here also the order, descending or ascending, and also is gonna, sorry, this why this issue happened the field, it's text, it should be a keyword. So if we do here, for example, and search for the keyword, so we need to use one of the this field. It should be a keyword, not text, right? So I will choose another field. I will choose, for example, day of week. So here, if I run, it's gonna work successfully. Make sense? Now let's see. All right, now with another example. So here we have geo IP location. So if you search here on the geo points, right, we will have, or you're gonna see this this field, right? Now let's say we want to sort the result based on the nearest point to our geo IP, right? So here in the geo IP we have latitude and longitude, and here we're gonna see this example. So it's gonna be get and e-commerce search, and here is gonna be the same. It's gonna be search query without specifying anything. So here is match all, Now in the sorts here, or I can remove this one and I specify this geodistance. So geodistance, the field here, it should be this geo IP location. It's gonna be like this, right? Here you specify if they give you an example, or if they give you a value in the exam, you have to copy paste the value here, then you run your query, and here you will get the result based, or you're gonna sort the results based on this requirement. Right, with that being said, we get to the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question, and we'll see you in the next video.